Hello students, welcome to GK class. Now before I start the new topic, let me show our today's clock. So here goes our today's clock. First, we are going to start with chapter 2, World Around Us. Now students, this is very interesting topic and I hope you will enjoy this. And then I will be giving you an assignment and the last will be the summary of the video. So, here goes your today's topic. What it is? Superlatives of India. What is the meaning of it? There are some important landmarks in the world that have significance in our history and our present. Knowledge of these landmarks is essential to enhance our general knowledge and understand their importance. Let us get started and see some superlatives of the world and of India. And students, you are really going to enjoy this topic. So let's see first. And students, no need to write this. Just listen to me very carefully and have the information of such things. First, which state of India is called the abode of clouds? And the answer is Meghalaya is the state in northeast India. The name means the abode of clouds in Sanskrit. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Next, which animal can live without water for lifetime? Lifetime means not at all, from birth till the end, death. The kangaroo rat is the only animal on earth that can go an entire lifetime without drinking one sip of water. The kangaroo rat makes its home in Death Valley. The lifespan of the kangaroo rat is 3 to 5 years. Next, what is the full form of PIN? Answer is Postal Index Number. POSTAL, Postal, INDEX, Index, NUMBER, number. Next, who is the world's largest monkey? I repeat, this question is very interesting. Who is the world's largest monkey? And the answer is the world's largest monkey is the mandrill, which you can find in West Africa. Now let me tell you something about mandrill. Mandrills are extremely colorful, perhaps more so than any other mammal. They are easily identifiable by their blue and red skin on their face. They also have extremely long canine teeth that can be used for self-defense. So students, I hope today you enjoyed knowing about this largest monkey. And who is it? It's mandrill. Next. Now students, do you know which country have white elephants? You must have seen elephants, but I know that you have not seen elephant. So which country have white elephants? And the answer is in Thailand. Now let me tell you something about white elephants. They are regarded as holy in ancient times in Thailand and other ancient countries. Keeping a white elephant was a very expensive undertaking, since the owner had to provide the elephant with special food and provide access for people who wanted to worship it. If a Thai king became dissatisfied with a subordinate, he would give him a white elephant. The gift would, in most cases, ruin the recipient. So students, always please have a knowledge of this. Which country have white elephants? It's Thailand. Next, students, you are definitely going to love this knowing about it. Which is the smallest bird in the world? I repeat, which is the smallest bird in the world you are talking about? And it's hummingbird. Now let me tell some facts about hummingbird. They are the smallest migrating birds. They don't migrate in flocks like other species, and they typically travel alone for up to 500 miles at a time. So students, you will never find these hummingbirds in a group, in a flocks. Next, the name hummingbird comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat so fast. Next, hummingbirds are the only bird that can fly backwards, and they have no sense of smell. While they can't sniff out feathers, they do have good color vision. So students, always remember the smallest bird in the world is hummingbird. Next, how many teeth did a mosquito have? A mosquito has no teeth. However, it has 47 sharp edges like teeth present in proboscis, that is used for piercing into skin or through the layer of clothes. Next, which is the biggest bird in the world? Biggest word, and the answer is ostrich. I hope you have heard this word before also. Now let me tell something about ostrich. The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. Though they cannot fly, ostriches are fleet and strong runners. They can sprint up to 43 miles an hour and run over distance at 31 miles an hour. They may use their wings as rudders to help them to change their direction while running. An ostrich's powerful, long legs can cover 10 to 16 feet in a single stride. So students, please remember the biggest bird in the world is ostrich. Also know, ostrich kicks can kill a human life also. Okay, now the next, which is the fastest bird on the planet? I repeat, we are talking about the fastest bird on the planet, and the answer is peregrine falcon. You have heard this word before also in our GK subject only. Now let me tell you something on peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons are one of the largest and most powerful species of falcon. They have long, bluntly pointed wings and a relatively short tail with a dark blue wings and heads. Their pale breast is spotted and the undersides of their wings are barred with dark stripes. So students, remember who is the fastest bird on the planet? That is peregrine falcon. Next. And the next. What animal has 3 hearts? Which is that animals who has 3 hearts? Octopuses have 3 hearts. Yes. Now I hope you will remember this. Which animal? Octopuses. Now see. All vertebrate animals have 1 heart. But an octopus is equipped with 3. One that pumps throughout this cephalopod's body, including its arm, and 2 that pump blood through its gills, the organs that enable it to breathe underwater by harvesting oxygen. Students, I hope you enjoyed this topic, but I repeat, no need to learn this, just have information on all these. Now next will be our assignment. Now here goes our assignment. The time limit to complete this assignment is 5 minutes. But you also have to note how much time is taken by you to complete this assignment. Now 2 questions you have to write. With this you have to write the answers also, and this work will be done in RMB. Now first question, name the smallest bird in the world. If you have seen this video very nicely, if you have listened very nicely, you can answer this. And the next is, name the fastest bird on the planet.